Hey everybody! In this video I'm painting the first coat of paint on the siding. Because the siding is wood, I put on a coat of primer first to prevent the paint from continually soaking into the wood, so the coverage should be more even. If I'm painting MDF, I do not use primer. I'm using a small paintbrush, but a small foam brush would work also, and I like to wear a glove at least on one hand to keep cleanup to a minimum. If you're wondering what color this is, it's called Indigo Batik from Sherwin-Williams, but I call it blue. This is what it looks like after 2 coats of paint. I know I'll paint it at least once more, but I'll probably wait until after it's attached to the house. I forgot to cut a trim piece ahead of time for the corner. This will provide a cleaner edge where the siding will meet the stones, but it will shift the space of the siding that's already been cut. It doesn't matter on the standalone pieces, but on the long pieces the spacing will be off a bit. But again, the width of the trim on the windows will cover it up. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.